right, I have something out there for any of my natural hair, curly hair girls, anybody who's been experiencing frizz. You've been trying to find out what can I put on my hair besides a ton of oil on my hair. So I have figured out what is good for us. You guys, look, check this out. This is my natural hair. Y'all are not used to seeing me look like this, but this is my natural hair. I told y'all I was curly. I don't think y'all believe me, but I found the secret for us, you guys, that will help when it comes to moisture retention and hydration. Our hair balm, okay, this is what it looks like. Kind of looks like your old school grease, but it's not. It's actually way lighter. When your hair is wet, you're gonna put our shampoo, conditioner, hair mist on. Then you put this hair balm on the ends of your hair. Let me tell you, here in a second, we have Hair Journey hair balm. And then we also have a Hydra Crown, okay, which smells like peaches. A lot of people like this. So stay tuned. I'm getting ready to show you guys my after once I silk out my hair with no extra products on it. Stay tuned. All right, you guys, I'm all dry now, so check this out. Okay, remember I told y'all no additional products, just the hair balm. Y'all see it? Look at that. Y'all see it. Y'all know how our hair do. When we naturally curly like this, our hair has a horrible tendency to frizz up, get dry. But look at this. Hair balm while the hair was wet. I did our leave-in conditioner as well, okay? You can put on your favorite mousse or foam wrap. I did Nairobi. But look at this. Y'all see it? Look at that. Locked in that moisture. Y'all see it? Keeping that red vibrant. And yes, I'm using a rat tail, but only a few hairs are in this comb. That's it. That's how our products do it. Help your hair stop shedding. It's amazing. And remember, when y'all detangle, it's from the ends. Don't start here on the roots. Start on the ends. See how much easier it is to comb. All right. I just wanted y'all to see. No additional products did I add on it. Once I did that hair balm while it was wet, I did Nairobi because I like Nairobi. And that's it, really. Our leave-in conditioner. But look at that. Y'all see it? Ends. When you detangle, remember you should be using a wide tooth comb, which I did when it was wet. Because I'm flat ironing, that's the only reason I'm using this small comb. All the way to the ends, y'all see that? Not too, only one pass too. I just noticed that. Just one pass through. And then I'm gonna let y'all see the difference between this side and the other side. Y'all see it? All right, stay tuned. All right, as you guys can see, we are all done. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Hair Journey hair balm. All right, as you guys can see, I am all done. Check it out, check it out. Look at that, pretty smooth, right? Y'all saw what I looked like at first, right? Check it out. All right, so thanks to one of two products, our Hair Journey hair balm or our Hydra Crown. Can y'all see that? Hydra Crown, okay? Both of these look like the old school hair grease, but they are a lot lighter on the hair. As y'all saw, my hair is pretty fine, and it's got my hair up there, okay? This will, if you are a natural curly girl, Your hair gets dry all the time. Shampoo, condition with our products, either Hydro Crown or Hair Journey, it doesn't matter which one. And then you're gonna put our leave-in conditioner, because we have one on both sides, and you're gonna put the hair balm on the ends of your hair. Comb it through. Once you do the hair mist, which is the leave-in conditioner, you're gonna do the hair balm. And then if you want to do some type of what am I trying to say, hair foam or anything like that, I did do Nairobi, you can add it to that as well. And then at the end, I know y'all are used to, every time we flat iron our hair, we always usually have to put an extra oil or extra something on there. Not once you put this on with the hair wet. Again, Hydro Crown hair balm or Hair Journey hair balm. All right, you guys, see you later.